The ribbon tabs group tools and features together based on their purpose. For example, to make your slides look better, look for options on the Design tab. The tools that you use to animate things on your slide would be on the Animations tab. Let's take a look at some of the most used tabs. At the beginning of the ribbon is the File tab, which is used to access behind-the-scenes functions. We will start with the File tab. Here we have access to such features as opening, saving, sharing, exporting, printing and managing your presentation. Or we can select a blank template to create a new presentation, or choose from an array of pre-designed templates. Click the back button to return to the presentation that you were working on. The Home tab is your default tab. This holds the most common formatting features such as cut and paste, font and paragraph options, and what you need to add and organize slides. Let's check out the Insert tab. Click Insert to add something to a slide. This includes pictures, shapes, charts, links, text boxes, video and more. Click the Design tab to select a pre-designed template or create and edit a design theme for your presentation. Set up how your slides change from one to the next on the Transitions tab. Find the gallery of the possible transitions in the Transition to this slide group. Click the More button at the side of the gallery to see all of them. Use the Animations tab to choreograph the movement of things on your slides. Note that you can see many possible animations in the gallery in the Animation group, and see more of them by clicking the More button. On the Slideshow tab, set up the way that you want to show your presentation to others. The Review tab lets you add comments, run spell check, or compare one presentation with another, such as an earlier version. Views allow you to look at your presentation in different ways, depending on where you are in the creation or delivery process. Features on the Shape Format tab appears and is highlighted when you click a shape or text box on a slide. When you click a picture, the Picture Tools tab appears. Other such tabs include Smart Art Tools, Chart Tools, Table Tools, and Video Tools. These tabs disappear or change when you select or deselect the various elements on a slide. This area, called the Quick Access Toolbar, gives access to frequently used commands like Save and Undo no matter where you are in the ribbon. Click the More arrow to customize what appears on your toolbar. Items that are checked are the ones that will appear on your toolbar. Click to select or deselect to customize your toolbar. We are fine with the selected options. Let's close this menu. At the bottom of your screen, you also have another mini toolbar that provides some cool features for easy access. You can zoom in and out, switch between different slide views using these 4 buttons. Normal is selected by default and is great for creating and editing slides. Click the Notes button to add speaking notes or narration for your presentation. Click the Comment button to insert feedback or review comments for each slide. And edit or add a new comment.